Okay, so here we are. We're going to splice together a 25 pair cable that's been cut. Again, we'll simulate that there are two separate cables here. So basically we've got to the bonding part. So the next most important piece that we want to do is make sure that our tail is the same length. So you can see where this one's a little bit longer. So we're going to cut that away. Like that. Get that out of the way. Okay, so that's how we start it. Okay, so then we have our 25 pair blackjack, which we will open up here right now. So basically the component parts, you get your instructions, which I don't need anymore. They give you these pretty little gloves to put on so you don't get your hands greasy, which I don't use. This is our closure. It's like a zipper. That's our last piece to go on. And then we have the actual splice itself. So it's got two layers to it. You can get your scissors into it. So you take this black piece off. And that's what holds your bomb bar. Okay, so then you put your black piece in there, plastic in there, all those goodies. So leave that like that until we got it spliced, because we don't want that to get dirty. Okay, so when you put your bomb bar on, okay, it connects in there like that, which helps to prevent it from being pulled out. So when we're all said and done, after we're all spliced, this will be on here, then it goes in here, and that keeps it from coming out. So when you take off this cover, get this nice, extremely sticky kind of gel that goes on the bottom. So this is where your cables will go in. You can see the grooves that they've got here so your cable will nest into this gel once we put it in here. And then this piece on the outside is a piece of sealant. So we remove all the plastic pieces, and then what will happen is this sealant, when we close this, once we've got everything in there, the sealant will seal it all together. Okay? So first things first, got to get this bomb bar on, and I'm going to have the screw go. Okay, so we're now ready for splicing. So what I'm going to do is, as you've already seen me splice, I'm going to go away and splice this. We don't need to film the whole thing because it can be 20 minutes in length while we get to splice it. So once I got it all spliced, then I'll come back and I'll show you how I spliced it, and then we'll place it in the closure, close it all up, and then we're good.